If you are working on Atlas Capture and you are confused about how to set up your payment method, this video is for you. A lot of people have been asking me why they are completing tasks but not getting paid, and in most cases, it's because the payment setup wasn't done correctly. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to add your payment method on Atlas Capture so you don't miss a single payout. And without wasting time, let us do a quick review of the Atlas Capture. This is the dashboard. You will be able to see your journey, complete training. If you completed your training, you will be able to see this. Also, there is a setup payment method here, which is our next method. After that, you'll be able to do labeling tasks. Also, there is a training here, which you'll be able to see what you have completed. Training center, complete certifications to unlock different types of work. Labels. Right now, they are offering atomic action labels, and I'm certified. Label atomic action segments in video. So if you still stuck between getting answers for these atomic action labels, you can write here on the comment section so I can be able to help you. You've completed this certification, you can go to review and be able to see that I'm already certified. So go back to training. Then after that, this is coming soon, the labeler agency and auditor certification. So after that, you come to tasks. This is where you'll be able to see your available tasks. Since I created this account, I only managed to work for like 0.3 hours, and you'll be able to see your quality guidelines, zero tolerance, pay period, performance. Also, if you want to start working, you'll need to click into start. Clock it before reserving and working on label. So if you want to start working, you just click clock in, and your time will start counting. Also, you need to reserve your episodes here so that you can work. So since I'm doing a review of this site, I'm not going to work at this time. So for payment, this is the most important part. Payment, manage your payments method and view your earnings by pay period. Payment overview, pending audit. I managed to work for like, I took some few minutes, and I got paid this, and it's still waiting for approval. After approval, how do payments work? Let's see. Everything you need to know about getting paid. Payment schedule. Payments are processed on the 7th and 21st of each month. It's possible to get paid out before this date depending on processing time. Minimum payout. The minimum payout amount is $20. If your earnings are below this threshold, they will roll over to the next pay period. Supported payment methods. We currently support payments via crypto and Wise. Additional methods may be supported soon. Make sure your payment details are correctly to avoid any delays. Processing times. Payments are typically processed 3 to 7 days after the pay period ends. Transfer times may vary depending on your payment method and location. So after going through that, the next thing is to set up our payment method. And right now they are paying $2.5 per an hour of annotation. So if you annotate a one hour video in 10 minutes, you'll be paid 2.5. So the more you make depends on how fast you are in annotation. Payout schedule, we have done. So requirements for payment. Training completed, we have done that. Payment method configured, now I'm going to show you in a few. Work audited and approved. So all work must pass audit before payment. Only approved work is paid. Now earning by period. Your earning breakdown by period. I worked on 16th, 31st, that is pending audit, and it's 0.65, but I have not reached the minimum threshold. So payment method, how you will receive your earnings. Set up your payment method and receive earnings. You can choose between crypto, USDT or USDC or Wise Bank. So let's go and set up payment method. Set up payment method. Choose how you would like to receive your earnings. Crypto, fastest. Wise, it takes 2 to 5 days, it's slower. And if you choose crypto, you will be given two options: use USDC or USDT. If you choose Wise, you'll be able to add your Wise email here, then save. And for crypto, I want to use USDT because I have Binance. So USDC, my bank Binance USDC for my Binance wallet for USDC, I paste it here. After pasting, I'll be able now to save the method. After saving the method, I'll receive my earnings. So guys, it was a quick video about the payment procedure. So if you have any question, you can ask on the comment section and I'll be able to answer you. Till next video, thank you. Kindly subscribe, like and share.